Hello friends, welcome to channel 11. Today I'm going to give some explanation about our example how to use grouping set in SQL Server. So this is my database channel 11. So I have the summary table. If you query the summary table, you can see that this is the result set. Before going to example, I am using Visual Studio 2017. I connected SQL Server database from this. So you might surprise that it's not SQL Server. So I am connecting from Visual Studio using Server Object Explorer. So by continuing, so I have the summary table. In summary table, I have the list of summaries from brand and category and corresponding sales from year wise. So I wanted to group by from this table brand. I want to see the group by from brand as well as category and brand and category. So I want to group these whole results I want to see. So to do that we have to write four select statements, group by select statements, like let me write select brand sum of sales from, so I'll take from here and group by. So this is my group by statement to see the brand wise sales. So this is my brand wise sales, total sales from the brand. The same way, if I wanted to see the category, so I need to write again statements category, sorry, this is my category wise sales, and I want to, if I want to see both combination brand. This is my brand and category wise. So this is the brand, this category, what is the sales. So I want to see total sales. So if I want to see the total sales, like from the table, what is the total sales? So there is no group I required here. So this is my total sales. So this is how we need to see the uh, I mean result set for the individual. So I wanted to group all these details, so we have to use union all. I will add union all so that I can see the all the results in a result set. So I have to write the all columns should be same, since this is union all. So I will add a null wherever is not available. So since null is not use group by, so we don't have any issues. Let me add here also. So this is my, to combine all these results we have to add union all, and we can see that the result from each category, each column. So this is my brand wise, this is my category wise, and these are the brand and category. So this is my total sales. So here if you observe, yes, we can see the expected results, but the problem here is we have to add this query is a bit lengthy and we have to add union all in between. So this is something like and maybe performance also will hit in background because SQL query do all these operations. So to avoid this, SQL Server introduced grouping sets. The definitions are: grouping set is the group of columns by which you group. Typically, a single query with the aggregate definition defines a single group set. So, group set will simplify this select query in a single single statement. So, it indirectly it will grouping set is a group of columns. So, it will group of columns from group by. I mean, it's indirectly grouping the group of columns. So it will group this one, this one, this one. Let's see that how to achieve that. So we have the means SQL statement is same. So since I need both category, so the state, but here the syntax as group by, grouping set, and you have to write the group by. I mean the result set. What result set we want? We want brand. So this is the first result set, brand and category. The next one we want is brand. Well, here we are writing group set, groupings, group here. So we are setting the combination which we want. We want the combination. I mean, I will make order. But indirectly we are simplifying the select query. It's nothing else. There is no confusion here. So first I want the group by these two, then brand, then category. So instead of writing all this, I am using group set. We can simplify. So next I will go for brand. You have to remember only syntax category. Now I want empty because I need the sum. So this is the simplification from the above query using group set. So it's very easy. First you have to write group by and grouping sets. These are the grouping sets. So definition, what it is saying, group of columns which you group. So this is the group of columns I wanted to group. So let me go and execute this. It should get the same result. If you see that this is the same result, let me go and do order by. So let me I added order by class here and here so that we can see the same result both ways. So this is my above result set, this result below are the. So if you see that the same results, so the category first I received and total sales, and again brand and category, brand total sales, like that. So total sales here it is written. So if you observe here, the same result set I get using group by, but with simple statement, SQL statement. So this is very easy to understand, and its performance also will get improved. I hope you understand how to use group by sets, grouping sets in SQL Server. So this is mostly useful if you are going for this kind of scenarios. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. So hi friends, previous I explained about the cube and groups. Right now I will explain about the rollup. So rollup is commonly used to calculate the aggregates of hierarchical data such as year, quarter and month. So when we wanted to calculates the hierarchical data in this way, so we can use rollup. So rollup, if you see that these all are little same, but there is some difference. Cube will provide all the combinations from this list, like brand hierarchy, brand category, brand category empty. So like this it will apply the, if you use the cube, it will provide all the combination between these two. So I will repeat: brand category, brand and category with empty. So that is the use of cube. Suppose if you wanted to go for roll up will treat little different here. It's go for hierarchy based. It will go for brand and category, brand and empty. So this way it will go like it will go this way: brand category, like again brand. So it will do the combination if you go for roll up, but cube is something different: brand category and brand category. So like this it will go the combination like this. So that is the difference between the cube and roll up. So as I mentioned, if you wanted to go for hierarchical, then you can use for roll up. That is the difference. If we see that, so it will go for the first total sales, and again brand wise and brand and category combination. Same way the remaining also. So that is the use of roll up. So I hope you understand when we what is the difference between these three: group by, grouping sets, and grouping sets, how to use cube and how to use roll up. And I also explained difference between these two, and when we go for group, when we roll up. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Please keep watch my videos and share your feedback. Thank you. Hi friends, previous example how to what is the grouping sets and how to with example. Now I will mention cube. So cube even simple it simplified for the group by sets, grouping sets. So cube is subclass of group by class that allows you to generate multiple grouping sets. The following illustrate the general syntax of cube. If you see that, this is the syntax. If you wanted to write, this is the syntax cube. So if you wanted to apply grouping set, so you have to write this much. Using cube by, we just write this one. So it will automatically produce the same result of above. So it's indirectly, even we are simplifying grouping sets, select statements with cube. So if you write like this, it will produce the group by sets as per this. So just remember, it will apply group by sets, brand and category and empty. So you just imagine that way. So cube is the indirectly simplifying of grouping sets. So this is the example. So the same results will produce group cube with this syntax. I hope if you run this, you will get the same result set. So this is the cube result set. If you see that, so let me maximize this. So this is the total result set. If you see here, this is the category, this is brand and category, this is the brand total. So it will produce the same result. So I hope you understand what is the cube and how to syntax and the difference between grouping sets as well as cube. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.